Hello everyone, my name is Mansoori Mohammad Umar and I work at Areterix Technologies. In this video, I will walk you through a custom Odoo 18 community module I built for uploading product images and in bulk. So let's start this video. So navigate to the apps menu. Just and you can see my module name is product images import in the apps menu. So just install this module and wait for some time to get installed this module. This module include an easy to use wizard where you can upload it product images using on Excel file or CSV file. Now I will show you my Excel file. Okay. This is my Excel file. You can see in it column A in product name, in column B in reference ID name, column C in the local image path of the computer, and column D in import in the URL of the image. Now we will upload this file. Okay. Now we will upload Excel file. I have already made 100 products and I have also given reference. So, uh, and now we will go to sales. Okay, sales menu item. Under product, you will see that products in go to product item. So you can see that I have already uploaded 100 products. Okay. Once again, now we will go to sales menu item in products. Under the products, you will see import images. Click on it and you can see the open the wizard. Okay. In it, you can see the button to upload file and below the file name, tell the name of the whatever file you upload. Then when okay, upload your file. My file name is image upload 100 products open and you can see that file name is image upload. So already have one. Okay. Then when you click on the import button, it will start doing its work. Okay, waiting for sometimes. Sometimes. Okay. Now we will go to the products in the products menu item. Okay, just wait. Sales, products, in product. If the image will be uploaded or not now, we can see that the image will be uploaded. Okay, 100 and 100 product is image is uploaded. The images are automatically matched and assigned to the correct products in the system. It's also threads upload logs and includes menu access, security setting, and a user-friendly interface. So now we will see its log after uploading the image inside the product there is a menu. Okay. 1 second. Sales products. You can see the image upload logs. Click it. If you click on it, the list view will be visible, and if you click on it, then the form view will be open. Okay. You can you can see that file name after uploading the file, start time and end time. You can see that 22 seconds in 100 products images uploaded. File you can see the log file uploaded, image upload in progress, completed 100 images updated, finish time, date, end time. You can see that. Okay. Now we will bring an error in the log. Okay, so I have deleted the image from the products. Now we will go to the Excel file. You can remember this is my Excel file. Okay, now you can see that 31 number row in not added a image path and URL. Okay. Similarly, number 45, product number 45, not added a path and not added a image URL. Same to same, last not added 9 product 94, image path and URL. You can see that. Okay. We are going to the products and upload the this file. Okay. We are already in products and you can see that import images, upload your file. Okay, I'll upload my file, open, okay, and import. Wait for some time. Okay, now we will go to the product. In the products menu, menu in if the image will be uploaded or not. Okay, so, okay, image are uploaded. Okay, find the missing images. Okay, so then we are the right now filter id images, image. Okay, filter is not set. Okay, add button. Okay, you can see that product 31, 45 and 94 image are not uploaded. Okay, we are going to products in image upload loop. Okay, you can see that um, list view, file uploaded, images upload in progress, error number 32, 46 and 95, 97 images updated. Okay, finished. Okay, finish time. You can see go. Okay. This tool is idea for e-commerce, inventory and product management use cases. If you find this useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.